Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to change the language on the Zangi app. This guide will help you quickly switch your app interface to the language you prefer, making it easier to navigate and use all the features efficiently. First, open the Zangi app on your phone. Once the app is launched, look to the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu. Next, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the option labeled Settings to enter the main settings menu of the app. In this menu, you will find the language option labeled Zangi Language. Then, tap on Zangi Language, and a list of available languages will appear. Scroll through the list and select the language you want to use. As soon as you tap on your preferred language, the app will update instantly, and all menus and text will switch to the selected language. Finally, after changing the language, you can navigate back to the main screen and continue using the app in your chosen language. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips.